Hey there, it's Sargent Biscuit for the Half-Assed Prepper Show, and today's topic is what to do when you think you might have given yourself tetanus and you can't get to the hospital. Now, the first thing you need to know is you ain't got tetanus, because you don't get tetanus from rust. You get tetanus from the soil and the dust and the shit. And you don't get tetanus from some surface scratch. You get tetanus from a puncture wound because Clostridium tetani needs an oxygen-deprived environment in which to grow. So all you gotta do is clean it, get yourself some hydrogen peroxide, and clean out the dirt and the dust and the shit. And, people think it's the rust because the rust has lots of little pockets in there, and it's really good for collecting dirt and dust and shit. And if something's been laying around long enough to get all rusty, well, it's been laying around long enough to get shit on a few times. Now, I know you don't believe me, so there's going to be some links down there in the video description, and I'll see you next time.